application for the finisher for marks and dings, and this is a very, very old top that I took as an example, and it's pretty beat up. It's actually nitrocellulose. I use polyurethane nowadays, but this is actually a nitro, and I just want to show you. It's already pretty banged up, but let's just have fun. And this is a pretty nice. That's a pretty nice one. So, come in. Accelerator. A lot of people say, "Oh, it will melt the or soften the nitrocellulose." As any accelerator, I mean, you have to spray it from a distance, and I haven't experienced any problem with it. So, I'm going to. Again, what I like to do is use a string to come in. That's a pretty big one. I mean, obviously it's a mark, so it's not going to make the mark disappear, but it will give back some material. Actually, I like to level it before I scrape it. So what I'll do is I usually either put a piece of Scotch tape on each end to scrape, or I actually bend the blade so the corners don't hit my the top of my. Let's see what I can do here. I'm just removing the excess. Again, don't forget to wear your mask and your glasses and your gloves. Now I come in. Now what I've done, I mean, obviously the mark, I can't make the mark disappear, but I've actually filled in the whole gap. And if I look with the light reflection, I don't see any bumps or anything. I was able to really flatten it out, and the gap is filled. Now I just need to go and buff it out.